Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file safely and easily. If you find this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. To get started, head to youtube.com. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're in the Studio dashboard, look to the left-hand menu, scroll down, and click on Audio Library. Here you'll find hundreds of free tracks that you can legally download and use in your projects. You can preview any song by clicking the play button next to it. When you find one you like, just hit the download icon on the right, and it will instantly save as an MP3 file to your computer. And that's it! You now know how to download music from YouTube as an MP3. It's quick, easy, and completely legal through the YouTube audio library. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching 1 Minute IT Shot. See you in the next one.